Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create meetings on the Webex app. So there's a few ways where you can start or initiate a meeting on the Webex app. When you go to messaging, you will be seeing your spaces or your groups that you have on the app. So on each space, whether it's in a team or it's in the personal space that you've made, you just go to the upper right corner and press meet. So this will start an instant meeting, a real-time meeting for the spaces that you already have. If you want to schedule a meeting, you could press this button on the upper right-hand corner. It's going to show a pop-up and you can just enter your details for the meeting. If it's a recurrent meeting, you could do so as well. And it's going to ask you for the information for your recurrent meeting and just press schedule once you are done. Another way where you can add or initiate meetings is by pressing meetings on the left-hand panel. You could start a real-time WebEx meeting, an instant meeting. You could join a meeting or you could schedule a meeting. So once you press start a WebEx meeting, let's say you want to create an instant meeting, you're going to be given a pop-up like this where you could add your speaker options, your video options. If you want virtual backgrounds, you could add them as well. And you could press start a meeting. You can invite people and remind people of the meeting. You could copy the meeting information. You could chat participants in a meeting. You could add participants in a meeting in here as well by clicking the participants panel. And if you want to end your meeting, you could press the X button or you could press Control plus L on your keyboard. That's it. That's how you create a meeting on WebEx.